Hey everyone, have you ever thought about starting your own business in the financial industry? Well, today we're diving into one of the fastest growing sectors, peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about starting your very own P2P lending business and how you can make it a huge success. Stick around to find out how this billion-dollar industry works and how you can get your share of the pie. So, what exactly is P2P lending? Peer-to-peer lending allows individuals and businesses to borrow money directly from other people, bypassing banks and financial institutions. It's a win-win situation for both borrowers and investors. And here's the exciting part, the P2P lending market is expected to grow from $106.18 billion in 2024 to $238.74 billion by 2030, at a whopping CAGR of 14.37%. That's a huge opportunity for anyone looking to get involved. Let's break down the key steps to starting your very own P2P lending platform. Market research and niche identification. The first step is to research the market and identify your niche. Understand your audience and what they need. This will help you carve out a unique position in the market. Business model and revenue generation. Decide on your business model. Will you charge borrowers, lenders, or both? Understand how you'll generate revenue, whether through transaction fees, interest rate spreads, or premium features. Risk assessment and credit scoring. One of the most crucial parts of P2P lending is assessing the risk of each loan. You need a reliable credit scoring model to evaluate the borrower's risk. Investor education and onboarding. Make sure you educate your investors. Help them understand the process and how they can diversify their portfolios. A well-informed investor base is key to success. Feature specification and UX design. Focus on the features that will make your app stand out. The user experience is everything. A simple, intuitive, and attractive design will keep users coming back. Testing and deployment. Before launching, thorough testing is essential. You want your platform to run smoothly and deliver a flawless experience for users. Maintenance and updates. Once your platform is live, constant updates are key. Regular maintenance ensures that your app stays up to date and users continue to trust it. When it comes to developing your P2P lending app, there are a few types to consider. Standalone P2P lending app directly connects borrowers and lenders. Bank-centric lending app integrates with traditional banking services. Social media-centric app uses social connections to simplify transactions. Choosing the right type will depend on your target audience and business goals. Here's the fun part. You'll need to integrate some cutting-edge technologies to make your app stand out. Blockchain, for secure transactions and transparency. AI and machine learning, to improve loan matching and risk assessment. Big data, helps make better decisions by analyzing borrower behavior. Smart contracts, automates agreements and reduces human errors. These technologies will not only improve the user experience but also make your platform more reliable and scalable. Now, let's talk about the different business models you can use to generate revenue. Marketplace model. Charge a small transaction fee for connecting lenders and borrowers. Fee-based model. Charge for specific services like loan processing or early repayments. Subscription model. Offer premium features for a recurring fee. Interest rate spread model. Profit from the difference between the interest rates for borrowers and lenders. Peer group lending model. Create community-based lending with shared repayment responsibility. Now, you might be wondering, how much does it cost to develop a P2P lending app? Well, it depends on a few factors like complexity, platform type, and the development team's expertise. Generally, it can cost anywhere from $25,000 to $90,000 depending on the features and tech you want to integrate. And there you have it. Starting a P2P lending business could be the next big thing for you. With the right market research, business model, and cutting-edge technology, you can create a platform that revolutionizes the way people borrow and lend money. Remember, it all starts with identifying gaps in the current system and using the right tools to create a seamless, reliable platform for your users. If you're ready to take the next step, RichestSoft is here to help you get started with your P2P lending app development. Reach out to us today, and let's bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.